Yeah, hello? Damn, nigga, you farting in the background? Let's go. Gonna put your hands on tracking. You're coming with me. Just because you entered my lab doesn't mean my plan isn't already in action, Mr. Vanderbilt. What are you planning? You see, Mr. Vanderbilt, I already concocted a plan that will literally... My bad. Sorry. Continue. Well, the scheme that I had planned will literally... Sorry, it's my girl. I just gotta take this real quick. Yes.
Cut the crap, Quinn Dressel. I know you around some hoes. Where they at?
No hoes here.
Sure. Also, and why you didn't take out the damn trash like I told you to?
I told you I'll do it when I get home.
Don't yell at me, alright?
Is that my lemonade?
And he is.
Oh Lord, I'm gonna fight this girl. I'm a fighter. Oh Lord, okay. Chill. I'm trying to save the world right now. Can I call you back? I'm so sorry that's the last time. That's the last time right now. Kind of rude. Just saying. It's very rude to me. Very rude to me. Continue what you were saying. Something about a scheme or something like that. Oh, where was I? Oh, yeah. The plan that I have set in motion literally will have the world. Mr. Vanderbilt, will you please? My nigga, that's you. Oh. Hello? I don't see no hoes. No, there's no hoes around here. Oh my God.